Hey guys, welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we are in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. It's the home of, what is that place called? Oh yeah, Krispy Kreme Donuts. You ever had a Krispy Kreme? It was invented right here in Winston-Salem. But we didn't come to Winston-Salem for Krispy Kreme. Nope. We came here to go to Duke's Restaurant. Now, Duke's Restaurant only serves breakfast and lunch, and they're only open till 2 o'clock. So we've got to get in here, we've got to eat quick. I'm a big breakfast person, so I can't wait, because I've already seen their menu online. I know exactly what I'm going to get. Let's go in here and let's eat. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. Papa Tom!
Hey.
Papa Tom's here! Hey, we're gonna go eat. You wanna go eat with us?
Sure, they got great fixings here.
Awesome, let's go eat with Papa Tom!
Now, Duke's Restaurant has a fun, family-friendly atmosphere, and we found everybody here to be super kind and helpful. Now, look at all this family memorabilia and North Carolina memorabilia on the wall, and even a great sense of humor. Now, they have daily specials Monday through Saturday, and you can order one of those specials, or you can order off the menu. Look at all of this breakfast stuff. If you can't find something on this breakfast menu, you don't like breakfast. But what if you want lunch? They've got a ton of stuff on their lunch menu. Everything from kids' meals to salads to sandwiches to delicious subs. But what if you don't find what you're looking for on either one of those menus? They have a cafeteria style line you can go through where you could choose a meat and some of the best country sides you've ever laid your eyes on. Now they're gonna load you up. Now you can eat your meal. Oh wait, is that pie? Well, you can get it for dine-in or carryout.
All right, I'm here with Jimmy, and he is one of the owners of the restaurant. Jimmy, tell me a little bit about this place.
We've been here since 1987. My father started it. And literally a family affair. You know, my wife works here, my sister-in-law works here, my brother, all of us. We're here and working it since we were little children. So we've grown up in this place, and now we took the reins.
Now, what is probably your most popular dish or item on the menu?
We're known for our pork tenderloin. That's our specialty. That's what most of our customers come in for. Is our pan fried in a cast iron skillet that you can see right back there on the stove. We've used the same skillet for 35 years, so it's probably the #1 item that most people come in for, and they come for breakfast and lunch to get that. You'll put it on a biscuit, put it with eggs, or they'll put it with mashed potatoes, broccoli, cheese, macaroni and cheese, etc. So this is we kind of have a cheers vibe here. Everybody's, we consider family. Most of the customers here, we know them on a first name basis, pretty much know what they order, and they come here and they know all of our servers, and it's fun. It's a good atmosphere, good vibe.
That back there, that's where the magic happens. And here's the magic right here. Oh, this world famous. And I tell you what, this is what I call my breakfast dessert. Yeah, smother that bad boy with about half a bottle of syrup, and what's gravy without biscuits? And these were some of the fluffiest we've had. Papa Tom goes for a pretty simple but pretty hearty breakfast.
I think that's about the best meal I've had in some time.
You can see here what was left of our food when we were done. I couldn't even finish my plate. We were so full. Oh man. I've hit my high water mark.
Now, I noticed on your website that you guys thank God for allowing you the opportunity to have your business here. How does your faith influence your business?
100%. We have to give thanks to God for everything we have. You know, our parents instilled faith in us from young children, and without God in our lives, there's literally no reason for anything. He provides everything that comes, and through Him we praise Him and have everything that we have. We've been blessed beyond belief. So we have nothing but thanks to give to God.
That's awesome. Thank you. And you know Papa Tom gives it his sign of approval when he says,
Coffee's always on.
Okay guys, we just got done eating in here, and oh man, I am full, but man was it good. Man, that breakfast was so good. I tell you what, if you are ever in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, do not drive by Duke's Restaurant. This place is so good and they give you so much food. Oh man, don't miss it. All right guys, let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, please subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell because you'll never know when we're gonna be in your area. Also, like this video, put a comment down below. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.